Okay, let's go about creating a sectional view. We're going to go in here, right? We have this part. I've already drawn it up, and this could be any part that you've created. Doesn't matter, but my part is WHT 183-01. All right, we don't know what's going on inside. I can kind of see some things there. There's something happening inside, so there's a hole and then something bigger. So when we go to create a new drawing, we'll go up here and click ANSI inch IDW because I already made the part in inches. And then when it comes in, I'm going to go ahead and click base. And see how small it comes in? That's obviously, if I want it 1-to-1, do I need it this big? I don't need it on that big sheet of D-size paper. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. Right click on this and edit my sheet and change this from D size, say, down to B size, which is a lot more manageable for a part like this. When I click base, I come in and that fits better on this page for what I need to do. I don't need to do a top view. I need two views for a part like this. And so I'm going to switch this to, say, I'm going to click base and I'm going to click this right here. So I get the side of it going on. So we should be okay. I'm going to click OK there, and it puts this thing in there. Now you see all of this hidden stuff inside there. You shouldn't dimension hidden lines when we do this, and so we're going to try to create a section over here to kind of get those diameters worked out. So instead of projecting, I'm going to click Section View, click Section View, and down here it says to select a view to sketch or a sketch. So I'm going to select this view, and then I'm going to go somewhere right here in the middle. See, it's kind of giving me that. So I'm going to go right through the middle of this part right here like that. Right click, continue, and then I'm going to move it this way. So it automatically selects which way it's going to go, but the cutting line shows us what we're doing there. Right click and create. So it creates the section view on there. So the arrows here show you the direction that you're looking. If I cut down through this part and looked in this direction in from that end right here, which is what would create that view, this is what the section view should look like. Then it's like anything else. I can go on, click annotate, and start dimensioning things on here. And I might do something like that, put my diameter there, and that goes through, and put another diameter right here. It's giving me a radius, so my diameter on that should be not 0.69, but let's do this. We're going to hide that, change the diameter to 1.38. Alright, and so we know what that diameter is there, and then we can do a dimension here for our outside diameter. It's probably going to do the same thing with the radius, and I don't want that, so I'll hide that and do my outside diameter of that was 2.88. Alright, so then we can see some other things in here. We might look at dimensioning here and go, alright, so my overall length, let's do from this line to that line. We'll do like this. We'll do a dimension that maybe goes from this line to the end down here. Put that one in there like that. And maybe a dimension that goes from end to end like this. So we get those dimensions in there. The only other thing we have left, and this is a minor one, so we'll just put a radius on this right here and say what that radius is there. And that's a typical radius. So I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to double click this and change this, because what I want to do, I think I want to change the precision on that and change that to, wait a minute, go to 3 decimal places and then go back to the text here, change this to TYP period, so we know that's a typical radius there on that side in there. Alright. Double click the mouse wheel, then I'm ready to fill in the title block and go from there. I can give you a quick reminder how to do it. So we're going to go in here and go to iProperties. We're going to change the summary, put in your business. I'm sorry, that goes right here. So I'll just cut that out of there. X and paste that here. The title of this part is a sleeve, all caps. We'll go back over here to the project and the part number, and this is a WHT-183-01. Might put the description back in here again because it could help later on. That should be enough for now for what we're doing. It tells us everything that's going on. Alright, so at this point you go ahead and click save, and we'll save that part, and then we're going to yes to all. Okay, and then we'll go back up here to the file, come down here, we're going to export PDF, and we're going to create the PDF file of it, and we might add the name on it just in case, or add your name or something there so you know it's yours. Alright, and that's what you would submit right there. Submit that in Blackboard. Good luck.